Hello everyone, welcome back to Rare Chem Official. Today we are going to discuss about properties of covalent compounds. Covalent compounds exist as solids, liquids and gases. Covalent compounds have low melting point and boiling point. If take O2 molecule, weak van der Waals forces between two oxygen molecules. It is easy to break. So covalent compounds have low melting and boiling points. But in 3D networks like diamond, silicon carbide, silica, etc. has high melting point and boiling point. Covalent compounds are directional in nature. It shows structure isomerism. Carbon atomic number is 6. The configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. The hybridization half into the number of valence electrons present in carbon 4 and the number of monovalents surrounded by carbon are 4 hydrogens. Here no charge is present, that is equals to we got 4. The hybridization is sp3. The geometry is tetrahedral. The bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes. Attraction is specific in direction. If take HCl molecule, here chlorine has high electronegativity than hydrogen. It pulls electrons towards chlorine and here less electron density towards hydrogen. It appears partial negative charge on chlorine, partial positive charge on hydrogen due to electronegativity difference. So attraction is specific in direction. Generally covalent compounds are not electrical conductors either in molten state or in aqueous solutions. They don't contain free electrons, but graphite is good conductor due to localized electrons. Covalent compounds dissolve in non-polar solvents. The solubility of covalent substance is more in solvent having high dielectric constant and less in solvent having low dielectric constant. Dielectric constant capacity to break covalent molecules into ions is called dielectric constant. Covalent reactions are very slow than ionic reactions because covalent reactions are very slow than ionic reactions. Here if take reaction between methane and oxygen O2 molecule, it will give CO2 and 2H2O. First the bond break between carbon and hydrogen and two oxygen molecules, then it will form new bonds between carbon and hydrogen. It forms CO2 plus 2H2O. Covalent compounds can't give precipitate with AgNO3. In ionic reactions, just attractions between two oppositely charged atoms, ions. So ionic reactions are very faster than covalent reactions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.